how to delete your TikTok account. Okay, so fire up your TikTok app, and at the bottom right hand corner, go to the me icon, takes you to your profile, and then these at the top right hand corner, there's the three dots situated vertically. Click on that, and the very top under account, click on manage my account, and then at the very bottom in gray, basically, you just click on delete account. Okay, so it takes you to a confirmation window or page, and just gives us some information. If you delete your account, you'll no longer be able to log into TikTok with that account. You'll lose access to any videos you have posted. You will not be able to get a refund on any items you've purchased. Information that is not stored on your account, such as chat messages, may still be visible to others. And finally, the most important, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During that deactivation, your account won't be visible to the public. After 30 days, your account will be then deleted permanently. So you basically, when you hit delete account, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, meaning you have 30 days grace period to reactivate it if you wanted to, just in case, you know. And then if you hit delete account, it will give you another confirmation window. You're about to delete your account. Are you sure you want to continue? And once you hit the delete button, that's it. That's when 30-day deactivation. If you want to reactivate, if you want to get your account back, you can log back in with your login details to reactivate it, so long as it's within the 30 days since you hit the delete button. I'm just going to hit cancel.